Friends, today we are going to take study dimensions of business environment. Dimensions of business environment that influences the performance of many firms. The various dimensions of business environment are economic environment, social environment, technological environment, political environment, legal environment. These are a part of business environment which are influence the performance of many firms at the same time. That means these dimensions of business environment are going to affect the performance of the business. That means if any changes taken place in any of these dimensions of business environment, its effect will be on business environment. Now we are going to take study one by one these dimensions of business environment. First one, that is economic environment. Economic environment includes interest rates, consumer income, inflation rate, stock market indexes, the value of rupee, these. So in case of interest rate, changes in the interest rates greatly affect the demand for goods and services. For example, low long term rates on home loans are beneficial for banks and consumers both. Consumer income. Increases in the incomes of the consumers lead to increase in their purchasing power. Hence, demand for goods and services rises. Inflation rate. So, what is inflation? Inflation is a situation wherein the economic activities are performing at very high level. So, it is regulated by RBI. That means inflation rate is regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. RBI influences the interest rate in the country, has full control on the flow of money in the economy. So, high inflation rate increases the cost of production and hence puts constraints on firms. RBI also regulates the working of all banks in India. Second one, social environment. Social environment. This includes traditions, literacy rates, educational levels, values, customs, lifestyle, demographic distribution, and other characteristics of the society in which the organization exists. Any business is a part of the society in which it operates. The buying and consumption habits of the people, their languages, customers' preferences or tastes, etc., are the factors that influence the business. Business should be alert enough to visualize the factors that directly or indirectly affect their organization. For example, the celebration of Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Ganesha Chaturthi, Guru Purnima in India provides significant financial opportunities for greetings, card companies, that is greetings, card companies, sweets, or confectionery manufacturers, tailoring outlets, and many other related business. Business trends present various opportunities and threats to business enterprise. The third one, technological environment. It relates to scientific improvements and innovations for improving quality of goods and services, and new techniques for operating the business are all part of technological environment. It includes new procedures, new equipments to transform inputs into outputs. Technological changes provide opportunities for some enterprises and become threats for some others. For example, television has adversely affected radio and cinema industry. Mobiles have taken over the market from landline phones. Moreover, new innovations in different fields such as medicine, telecommunication, biotechnology, food preservatives, etc., have resulted in many opportunities and threats for many firms. So, here some of the examples are also given. Recent technological advances in computers and electronics have modified the way in which companies advertise their products. So, like that. Similarly, in case of retailers, have direct links with the suppliers who replenish stocks when needed. Fourth one, that is political environment. This includes political stability and peace in the country and attitude of the ruling party and its representatives towards business. Whenever there is a political stability, it increases the confidence of businessmen, whereas political instability adversely affects the business. For example, even after opening up our economy in 1991, that is LPG, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, many foreign companies found it very difficult to enter the Indian market because of bureaucratic red tape. Bureaucratic red tape. As a result, many of these companies got discouraged from doing business in India. Business functions within the framework of political environment. Generally, government policies change with the change of guard in power. That means whenever there is a change in government, definitely there will be the new rules and regulations. Business is required to understand and follow such changes and also respect the orders that judiciary gives from time to time. The next one coming up, legal environment. This includes different laws passed by the government, administrative orders issued by government authorities, courts, and also various commissions agency. It is very essential for the management of many business firms to obey these rules and regulations for smooth functioning of the business. Non obedience to these rules can land the business enterprises in many legal problems. In India, business firms are required to have complete knowledge of acts like Companies Act of 1956, that is amendment made in the year 2013, New Companies Act 2013, Consumer Protection Act 1986, Industrial Disputes Act 1947, Competition Act 2002, and so on. That means the various acts given here, 1948 Factories Act given, Trade Union Act 1926, Workmen's Compensation Act 1923, right? So these, the example given for the advertisement of alcoholic cigarettes carry the statutory warning, that is cigarette smoking is injurious to health. That means business organization has to work within the framework of laws, rules and regulations and the act passed by the legislature in the parliament. So according to that, every business organization should work. Rules to be followed by the business organization. So different acts are there. Just I have told you, Companies Act, Consumer Protection Act, Industrial Disputes Act, Competition Act. So all these are acts are having their own rules and regulations, and these have to be followed by the business organizations. So these are what about dimensions of business environment, that includes economic, social, technological, political and legal. These five given according to your textbook. So you may get question on this in your exam. So if it comes in your exam, you need to remember these 5 points and 2-3 sentence explanation on each dimension of business environment is necessary to write and to get 4 marks. So this is what about dimensions of business environment. So in our next class, come with different concept. Thank you, students.